Hello friends, what's our plan about today's group study? Today we are going to discuss the 5-mark questions from Physiology 2016 February question paper.
Then somebody read the question. What are the blood groups?
There are 4 main blood groups, types of blood, A, B, AB and O. Your blood group is determined by the genes you inherit from your parents. Each group can be either Rhd positive or Rhd negative, which means in total there are 8 blood groups. What is the principle of blood grouping?
The APO and Rh blood grouping system is based on agglutination reaction. When red blood cells carrying one or both the antigens are exposed to the corresponding antibodies, they interact with each other to form visible agglutination or clumping. What is salivary secretion?
The collective secretions of the salivary glands. That is saliva. Its secretion was studied by the Russian physiologist Ivan Pavlov. Saliva is produced in and secreted from salivary glands. These cells secrete a fluid that contains water, electrolytes, mucus and enzymes, all of which flow out of the achinas into collecting ducts. Within the ducts, the composition of the secretion is altered. What is endometrial cycle?
The endometrial cycle is simply the portion within the menstrual cycle that has to do with your endometrium, aka the lining of your uterus. It's a very important component of helping your body prepare for pregnancy, since it's essential that a fertilized egg nestles into the red spot in the womb. What are the 4 phases of the endometrial cycle?
The 4 phases of the menstrual cycle are menstruation, the follicular phase, ovulation and the luteal phase. What are the calciotropic hormones?
The endocrine factors involved in calcium and phosphate homeostasis are known as calciotropic and phosphotropic hormones, respectively. These hormones include parathyroid hormone, PTH, 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D3, that is, active vitamin D, and fibroblast growth factor 23, FGF23. How does calcium maintain homeostasis?
Calcitriol regulates the levels of calcium and phosphorus in the blood and helps maintain a healthy skeletal system. Bone resorption by osteoclasts releases calcium into the bloodstream, which helps regulate calcium homeostasis. What is the hypothalamus?
Hypothalamus is a part of midbrain. What is the important function of hypothalamus?
An important function of the hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to the endocrine hormonal system through the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus is considered the regulator of all hormonal functions in the body. Define isometric contraction.
Isometric, a muscular contraction in which the length of the muscle does not change. Define isotonic contraction.
Isotonic, a muscular contraction in which the length of the muscle changes. Eccentric, an isotonic contraction where the muscle lengthens. Concentric, an isotonic contraction where the muscle shortens. Hey guys, we have completed today's section. Hope this group study was helpful to you all. Let's meet tomorrow.